the 15th question of the C++ series, which tells that we have to find a key in the map, and we have to write a function to check whether the key exists in the map or not using the find method. So yeah, we have imported the necessary libraries here. As our stream, we have imported to perform input output operations, map to use the map, and string to use the string. Okay, so next we have also imported not imported but we have declared a function in which we have passed map names my map as and string as key in as a parameter, and using find method to search for the key. Here we are using the find method to search the key, as we can imagine of a map like a bowl or a box in which there are some balls, and and we have to find which is the red one, which is the red ball. So manually we can see through our eyes, but here in computers we will use find method to get our red ball as the key. Okay, so here you will be little bit of confused, as it's telling that not equal to, and then it is printing as found with the value. So if the iterator is not equal to my map, at the end we have to print that we have found that value. That means that in the map we can imagine of there are three things like apple, grapes and oranges. Okay, so my map dot begin will point through the first element, then forwarded by the second and third, but after the third element it will point to the end. As we have also seen in the C language that we have /0, there is a special thing or a special element at the end of the string or string or any array, that there is an empty element. So the length will be L plus 1, size plus 1. Here will be as my map dot end will point to that empty space after the last element. Okay, so here we are telling that if the key is not found, means if the key, as we can say orange, if orange is in the map, then we will print as found the value. It simply means that we are iterating through the map and we got that element. We don't have to go up to the end. So it is not equal to my map dot end, else we have to print that it is not in the map. Let me explain it once. If suppose we have a map and we have three values in it. Okay, now the iterator will go to first, second and then the third one. After the third one it will also point to an empty element here. Now we want the middle element. Okay, we want the middle element, but when there will be an iteration, the key and the middle element will get matched. So it will not be equal to the iterator. Here it will not be equal to my map dot end. So there is no any empty space, there is no any empty element. We have got our value, we don't have to go up to the end. So we will print that find the value, else we will print not found. Else if the element is not found, then it will go from first to second, second to third, and then it will point to the empty element. That means that it is not found. As the same thing, declared, inserted some values, and then we are printing them out. Let's run it. Banana is found with 3 with value 3 and grape is not found. So this is how it works. Thank you.